Greetings traders, it's Thursday, June 21st, and I had recorded a video and made a good trade today off the code called out within my charting service before it would ever even happen, and I hit that trade, and I hit another trade. I've hit two trades, and doing fairly well, up 40 ticks, 42 ticks, and I am going to see if I can't get another trade here. I will be back. Okay, I've got a short position here. Let me reset the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, stop is set really tight here to 65, 67. And, I'm just going to go for a 30 tick trade on this one. Let me take a look at it again. Yeah, I'll go for 30 ticks on this one. So let's back it off by 10 ticks. Take it from 19 up to 29. 29 for 30 ticks. I'll come back. It's been a good day trading. The code's very good today, and it's pretty easy. So hope all of you charting subscribers hit it. Well, I'll explain that to you in the charting, but there's so many codes that you could take. I mean, it's like if you wanted to make nothing but money at this, you could do it. Just keep trading and keep trading. I just show the easy way just by taking one trade, but in the charting we can see everything that works. See, that's a beautiful thing about the charting service. Anyway, I will come back. It's getting really close to the exit here. Exit's at 29, and it's came within 10 ticks away. Actually, it came within 8 ticks away. Anyway, getting close. I'll come back. I have got to turn my back on this trade for a little while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a break-even stop on it here. If it does come back, let it just go ahead and break even, and I'll just be done for the day. Otherwise, it can go down and hit the exit at 29 for an extra 30 ticks today, which would put me, I think, at about 50 ticks or something like that. The other day I had 84 ticks, I believe it was, and today maybe 50 ticks. Otherwise it'll be, oh wait, no. I was 40 ticks, so that would be 70 ticks ahead. Sorry. So anyway, if it hits, obviously, it's a possibility it could go back up. That's why I just want to place a break-even stop on it, just in case. Otherwise it should drop out and go down and hit my exit. Anyway, I'll be back. I gotta go for a little while. I was just getting ready to leave, and it just hit the break-even stop, so I thought I'd come on and finish out this video. Okay, so I'm all done for today. I gotta leave right now anyway, and if I wanted to, I could do more trading, but it's gonna get kind of slow from here, so no use in trying to get any more ticks out of it. Anyway, the main trade that I take every day, the main Code2 trade, called out within my charting service, worked good today. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow. I should be back on Friday. I'm not 100% guaranteed that I will. I might go out on Friday, but if I don't, if I stay home, I'll go ahead and take the trade on Friday. We already know what the Code2 is, so it's be another easy day. Anyway, I hope all of you traders are doing well, especially code traders, and especially my charting subscribers. Hope you hit the trade today. I will see you tomorrow. Happy trading, everyone.